In this tutorial, we will show you how to terminate an employee. To begin, go to the Employees tab. Locate the employee you wish to terminate from benefits coverage. In this example, we will terminate Mason Adams. You can either click on the drop arrow beside the eye icon and then click Terminate, or you can click on the eye icon to view the employee. Then scroll to the bottom and click the Terminate button. Both of these steps will bring you to the Employee Termination screen. Enter the date of the first day without coverage. This means the day after the employee's last day of work. For example, if the employee's last day of work was April 16th, you would enter April 17th. This will terminate the benefits at midnight of April 16th. Enter the termination reason. Click the Terminate button. You will receive a notification banner across the top of Nomad that advises the employee has been successfully terminated. The employee will no longer be showing in your active employee list. That completes the Terminating an Employee Nomad tutorial. Thanks for watching.